Highbush Organics is running 2 specials in the month of December of 2023, and the first one is with every fruiting Dave Wilson Nursery plant you purchase, Highbush Organics is including a complimentary bag of the 11.8 ounce premium blend fertilizer, a $24 value for free. Our second December of 2023 special that we're running is on our trio gift boxes, starting with the yellow trio, which includes the Highbush Organic 3-in-1 plant guard ready to use spray, the pint-sized can, which you can simply add water to and have the brush-on formula for your tree trunks and lower branches, or you can dilute it to make up to 5 gallons of your ready-to-use spray. And it also includes a bag of the Super Blend plus Azomite formula, which includes, again, all 6 plant macronutrients plus Azomite, which is crushed volcanic rock, to give your plants a lot of the micronutrient nutrition as well. What we're doing is subbing the 11.8 ounce bag with the 4-pound bag. It's an additional $50 value. With every trio gift box, you're getting a 4-pound bag of the Super Blend. The 11.8 ounce bag makes up to 20 gallons if you're turning it into a liquid fertilizer. This one here is 4 pounds, makes over 120 gallons if it's going to be used in the liquid fertilizer, a tablespoon per gallon of water. And this is the yellow trio upgrade for, again, the month of December of 2023. And for those of you interested in getting the blue trio, again, it's going to come with your ready to use WhiteWash formula, in addition to a pint-sized can of the WhiteWash, which again you can add water to have a can of brush on for your tree trunks and lower branches to curb weather extremes from extreme heat, as well as keep them insulated from the coldest days of winter. And it'll include the premium bag, 11.8 ounce bag of fertilizer, which again we're upgrading from 11.8 ounces to 4 pounds. And again, for the entire month of December of 2023, your trio gift boxes will be upgraded with the 4-pound bag of fertilizer, our gift to you for your generous support for the many years of being part of the Highbush Organics gardening family. Our shipping schedule is that all orders will ship within 2 to 3 business days through December 22nd of 2023, and all orders received after December 22nd will resume shipping the week of January 6th of 2024. So I'm now going to share with you some of the varieties that we're making available by Dave Wilson Nursery. You can read more at ivorganics.com, and these are some screenshots from the Dave Wilson Nursery website, starting with the wonderful variety of pomegranate, the Parfianka pomegranate, one of my personally favorite varieties, known for being a seedless, even though such a thing doesn't exist. The seeds are so small and so soft, they're virtually undetectable, and rated as one of the best tasting pomegranates in the world. Then the Eversweet is a clear variety that is stainless, which is unheard of for pomegranates as well. But if you're looking for a sweet stainless variety, the Eversweet pomegranate. Another popular variety that we offered about 1.5 years ago were the Blueberry Grapevine, and we're happy to announce one of these new releases, new varieties to Dave Wilson Nursery here at Highbush Organics. Additionally, we have available are the Sunshine Blue Blueberries, and this is one of the most sought after, most consistently productive, one of the easiest varieties of blueberries to grow. And then the O'Neill, another southern Highbush variety blueberry. We have also the Triple Crown Blackberry, which is a thornless variety Blackberry bush, the Baba Red Raspberry. Additionally, we're offering the Boysenberry, the original vine hybrid by Walter Knott. And those are just some of the varieties, again, you'll find at ivorganics.com. This is a reminder that these plants are available only on a first come, first served basis and while supplies last. Highbush Organic brand products are innovative, organic, effective, and USA made to help make this your best growing season. We would also love to hear your story by tagging us at Highbush Organics or hashtag Highbush Organic and join the conversation with Highbush Organics here on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter. Also, for those of you that are new, be sure to subscribe and hit that push bell notification to stay connected with all of our educational lessons. As soon as they become made available, give us that thumbs up, share us with your gardening friends and family, and as always, keep growing with Highbush Organics and wishing you all Happy gardening.
Keep on growing.